Hello everyone, and welcome to How to Do That. Today we'll be doing Lab 3, Physical and Chemical Changes Within Food. And we'll be doing so by creating butter. I'll be your host, Michael Roll.
And I'm Brooke Buckner, and for this lab, Miss Katie Burns suggests that no more than 2 people work together in a group. And also, we will not be recording data that is for you to do on your own time, but we will be demonstrating how to do everything else in this lab.
So, to get started, these are your supplies and ingredients. You have a sheet of aluminum foil, whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, a jar or container, ice cold water, and salt. Also bread for whenever you need to taste your butter.
Yeah, so let's get started.
All right.
All right, the first step is pour the heavy cream into your jar or container and put the lid on. And only halfway too, don't fill it up all the way. And there's a line there, maybe fill it to that line.
Yeah.
That looks like a halfway mark. That's good. Put your lid on. And make sure there aren't any leaks.
No leaks.
All right, and this is where you would record the time on your data table. Okay, step 3, shake your jar about 20 times.
I lost count.
All right, then it says open the lid on the jar slightly to relieve any pressure that may have built up.
Okay. Now this is a special jar. I don't have to take it all the way off, so I'm just gonna lift this little doohickey and it's gonna escape, I'm hoping.
It has a little hole for air. Okay, then put the lid back on, making sure it's tight, and keep shaking your jar until all the liquid looks like it is solidified.
Okay. It's getting thicker now.
Woo-hoo. Good, that's the goal. Okay, and this is where you would record the time too.
I stopped hearing it.
Good! It's getting thicker. Alright, the time seems to vary a bit, some taking about 15 minutes to as long as 45 minutes. So if you don't see solidification right away, keep on shaking.
So since it's thick, does that mean solidification?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want runny butter, that's just gross.
Right.
Okay, want to open the jar and make your observations of the contents now?
Okay.
I think we could shake it a little more.
A little bit more.
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay.
Leakage.
Uh-oh. Did it explode?
I don't think so. I think the lid came undone.
Okay.
But it's not staying down.
Could be the air.
Yeah, okay. Try not to let it get on me. Okay.
You may need to keep some paper towels handy.
Yes, just in case something bad happens. Yeah, I don't hear anything, so I don't know how hard I should shake.
Shake,
Or how long, but just keep shaking when in doubt.
Shake it out.
That's good. Shake it out. Shake it off. Shake it out. Whatever floats your boat.
This would be the perfect time for Taylor Swift.
Yes. Cute. Taylor Swift.
Shake, shake, shake.
Okay, let's check it.
I think that's lumpy.
I see a thin liquid.
Where?
The bottom looks
Yes.
glossy, you know.
Yeah, it does look glossy.
And it got even thicker. Good. Okay.
Well,
All right. You'd record the time on that. Open your jar, taste the buttermilk. We need to taste it.
taste it?
Yes. Okay. Let's see if the taste is different now. Tastes the same as last time to me.
It does. It just has a thicker texture.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not as smooth as it was once before because it's not running anymore. So.
Okay, now we're gonna pour the buttermilk out, but make sure you don't lose your butter.
Keep shaking.
And
You didn't see any
shake it
buttermilk?
even more.
Shake it again.
Okay. I see liquid.
It looks like cottage cheese.
Looks really gross. Yeah, but that's what you want, apparently.
You'll have to keep shaking it.
Keep shaking it. Okay. I'm gonna shake it some more. Get out the air. And go.
Think that's good enough? All right, now it's telling us to pour the buttermilk out, but make sure we don't lose our butter.
Okay.
So yeah, any of that excess liquid, we're gonna pour down the drain.
Oh wow. There's the buttermilk.
Yeah, good. Okay, next we add our ice cold water to our jar with the butter still in it.
Alright. It doesn't say how much, so maybe just a splash.
Okay, put the lid back on and shake about 5 times.
I have a feeling of some shaking coming.
Yeah, the shaking never ends. Okay. Now it says rinse the water out, but don't lose the butter.
Now it's just a big old clump on one side.
Yeah,
Do another rinse.
put more water in and rinse the water.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe put a lot of water. A little more. Okay. Do we have to shake? Now pour the water out, but don't lose the butter. Okay, cool. Okay.
What's next?
And then salt.
Yeah, now we're gonna add a sprinkle of salt to it. That's optional, it's if you want salt in it. But in my opinion, salt tastes better.
I'm just gonna pour a little bit more of this water out.
It's more than a sprinkle.
Way more than a sprinkle.
Alright. Think a little bit more?
Yeah.
Here you go. Should be good. Alright. Now take a slice of bread and describe how it feels and tastes like. Tear the bread in half. And here we have sourdough. It's really good stuff.
Clean up as you go.
Alright, let me get a knife for us.
Put the piece of bread in the toast in the oven. It's ready.
And while you're doing this, while you're tasting it, you can put your bread in your oven since you should have preheated it before you began your experiment. That should only take up to 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, let's try this. Tastes like butter.
I can definitely taste the sourdough more
Yeah,
than I do the butter.
yeah. It's very light. Light and fluffy.
But smooth. I I can taste the separation within the bread and the butter when my tongue touches it.
I taste more salt too. The salt added a lot. Not bad. Now we're gonna try the butter on the toasted bread, see if it made a difference. Alright, now we're gonna put the butter on the toast. And then we're gonna taste the difference. I like it better with the bread toasted, that's for sure. What do you think?
I think so too. It tastes more like butter with the bread toasted
Yeah.
than with the bread just simply coming out of the bag.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
It tastes really good with sourdough, by the way.
It does. Sourdough is my favorite bread. Alright.
And that's how you make butter. Oh. Thank you for watching Lab 3, Physical and Chemical Changes Within Food. Making Butter.